We'll guide you through how to upload photos to Gmail directly from your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com to log into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, click on the Compose button on the left side to start a new email. In the new email window, you'll see a series of icons at the bottom. Click on the small paperclip icon labeled Attach Files. This will open a File Explorer window where you can browse your computer for the photos you want to upload. Navigate to the folder where your photos are stored, select the image or images you want to attach, and click Open. You'll see the files start to upload, and once they're attached, their names will appear at the bottom of your email. If you want to insert the photos directly into the body of your email, click on the camera icon instead. This allows you to choose photos from your device and insert them in line with your text. You can also adjust the size of the photos by clicking on them and selecting Small, Best Fit, or Original Size. Once you've attached or inserted your photos, fill in the recipient's email address, add your subject, and any message you want to include. When you're ready, hit Send to deliver your email with the photos attached or embedded. It's that simple. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.